In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a 3D text effect in Canva. So what we have to do, I'm first gonna add some text. I'm gonna write here PM, and I'm gonna go to font, and here in the font I'm gonna select or search for the impact font. Now we can move this, and here we have if you want, if you will, a way to craft our text. So something like this, PM, and now you can craft your text this way. And I would like to do something like 3D. Something like this, add element. You see, you can also use this one, but I like something like this. Now I'm gonna add the background to green. Now I'm gonna press Ctrl+D. Also, you can right click and select duplicate or use the shortcut Ctrl+D. Now I'm gonna move this right on top, and now keep pressing Ctrl+D. Once you move the position right on top, should be on top, you can use the arrows to move it. And now if you press press Ctrl+D and move it here on top. Now if I keep pressing, you'll actually create a copy. You know, I can press on one on the back. If I press like this, I'm gonna move it right here. Now we have this one here. Compress Ctrl+D for more. Now on the last one here, I can go to edit and change the color to this one here, update elements. I can also add maybe something like this. So now press Ctrl+G. Okay, actually I forgot that you can't group this, but it's okay like this. It can't really bother you that much, like when you grab one, but make sure when you grab, you select all the elements. Now what you're gonna have to do is to actually export this. So let's export, and after you export, this is what you'll get. And now we have this exported, and now we can go to edit photo, we can go to shadow, and here you can add an outline if you want. We can change the size. You can go to elements, shadow, drop shadow. We can add now this here and send behind. We can send behind using shortcuts with these shortcuts. Now I can go here in can look for this app, which is called Easy Reflection. You can find this in apps. I want to create a reflection with this. And I can send this behind. Now I can go to elements, background, dark, and send as a background. we can add this Canva logo. And now we can also add some text. Write this text here. Go to image here, and we're gonna have to position this here. We can now decrease a little bit this one and increase. Okay, something like this. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.